Have you ever noticed how certain stocks seem to move the same way at the same time every year, like retail stocks jumping before the holidays or travel stocks heating up in the summer? That's not random. It's called stock seasonality. And if you understand it, you can use it to time better trades and improve your edge in the market. Stock seasonality refers to predictable price patterns that repeat during certain times of the year. For example, many retailers perform well in the fourth quarter because of holiday shopping. Energy stocks might rise in the winter when heating demand increases. Even the overall market shows seasonal trends. Historically, November to April has been stronger than May to October. It doesn't mean these moves happen every single year without fail, but seasonality gives us probabilities, and probabilities are powerful in trading. So why does seasonality exist? The short answer: human behavior. Consumer spending cycles, holidays, back to school, summer vacations all create predictable demand. Business cycles. Companies have quarterly earnings, tax deadlines, and fiscal year-end spending. Market psychology. Phrases like sell in May and go away come from years of traders noticing repeat patterns. These habits repeat, creating trends that savvy traders can take advantage of. Traders don't rely on seasonality alone, but they use it as a tool. Here's how. Combine with technicals. If seasonality says a stock is usually strong in December and the chart shows bullish signals, that's a solid setup. Risk management. Knowing when volatility is historically high helps you size trades better. Macro view. If you know which sectors heat up at certain times, you can rotate your portfolio to ride those waves. Think of seasonality as the wind at your back. It doesn't guarantee success, but it makes the ride smoother. So stock seasonality is all about recognizing recurring patterns in the market. It's not about predicting the future with 100% accuracy, but about stacking probabilities in your favor. What seasonal patterns have you noticed in your own trading? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear them. And if you want daily AI-powered trading insights and strategies that factor in seasonality, sign up for our free newsletter at ITeachStocks.com. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next video. See you in the markets.